Manny Pacquiao. I will fight Conor Benn next. I will be in the UK soon. Manny Pacquiao has insisted he is up for taking on Conor Benn in the UK in his next fight, and revealed he will be in Britain soon following his controversial draw with Mario Barrios. Benn's rematch with Chris Eubank Jr appears to be up in the air, meaning the British welterweight could be looking for another opponent. And with Pacquiao insisting Floyd Mayweather is scared to death of a rematch with him, a clash with Benn could be the obvious move. Pacquiao, who returned to the ring for the first time in 4 years in Las Vegas on Saturday night, also discussed why he took his son off his own undercard in what was a brutal decision just days out from this fight. Speaking to Covers.com, Pacquiao said, "I will fight Conor Benn next. I will be in the UK soon. I respect Jake Paul. He should be world ranked. Floyd Mayweather scared to death of taking rematch. I moved my son's fight off my own undercard. He needs to understand what boxing is. Ricky Hatton has gained a lot of weight. It's good he is coming back. I missed out on the Olympics because of critics underestimating me. Manny Pacquiao. I will fight Conor Benn next. I will be in the UK soon. Jake Paul has talent, so why not give him a world ranking? Floyd Mayweather scared to death of rematch. I took my son off my undercard. I will fight Conor Benn next. I will be in the UK soon. As long as it's the same weight, at 147, then no problem. I will fight Conor Benn. It's no problem for me to come to the UK. My daughter is studying in the UK. In fact, we're planning to go to the UK. I respect Jake Paul. He should be world ranked. I respect Jake Paul's passion to pursue his boxing career. He has a talent. He can fight, so why not give him a world ranking? Floyd Mayweather scared to death of rematch. I don't think Floyd Mayweather will fight me again. He's scared to death to fight again. That's what I'm thinking. It's a huge fight between me and Mayweather, but there's a lot of reasons or alibis for why he didn't make it. The rematch with me. Lots of excuses, I guess. I moved my son's fight off my own undercard. He needs to understand what boxing is. I decided to move my son's fight to September or October because it's hard for me to watch my son fighting before my fight. That's right. I moved the fight because it was a distraction. But I want my son to watch my training because right now the new generation, they don't know how to punish themselves. I want him to understand what boxing is. Ricky Hatton has gained a lot of weight. It's good he is coming back. It's good for Ricky Hatton that he's making a comeback. Because when I saw him, he gained a lot of weight. He gained a lot. I missed out on the Olympics because of critics underestimating me. The critics are always there. Even at the beginning of my career, there were a lot of critics. That's why I did not have a chance to participate in the Olympics, because of critics and underestimating me. But I have always been inspired by the saying of Winston Churchill, "You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks."